How to start your vehicle with a dead key fob battery.
So if you get to your vehicle and you can't get it to unlock, there is a key. You're just going to pull this to the side and then slide this silver tab up. So you'll slide that over and pull this key out. And once you have the key out, you're just going to put it in and you can unlock the door. Once you get into the vehicle, all you're going to do is you're going to take your fob, because when you push on it, step on the brake, nothing's happening. But if you just take your fob with the dead battery and push on it, the car will start right up. And then just to show you that this works without the battery, take the fob, and we're just gonna push it, step on the brake, and it starts up. Hopefully this helps, and as always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.